The 5-digit number 80B900D8 is both divisible by 4 and 6. After replacing B and D with the appropriate digits, the number formed is in its least possible value. What is the number? Try to solve this problem for 15 seconds, but if you still need more time to solve it, you may pause the video, then let's compare our answer and solution. Please share how you solved the problem by leaving a comment below. $80B900D8 is divisible by 4 and 6. Divisibility rules, what are they? Divisibility rule is a way of determining whether a given number can be evenly divided by another, that is, if there is no remainder left over. Let's review the divisibility rules for 4 and 6. Divisibility rule for number 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4 or last two digits are 0. Divisibility rule for number 6. If a number is both divisible by 2 and 3. Divisible by 2 if the number is an even number, that it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Divisible by 3 if sum of digits is divisible by 3. The last two digits formed that are divisible by 4 are 8, 28, 48, 68 and 88. Since the problem is asking for the number formed in its least possible value after replacing B and D with the appropriate digits, we only have to consider the least possible value of D, that is 0. Let us now identify which digit is to be used in place of B, to make the number divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is an even number and the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Since the number ends in 8, then it is already divisible by 2. The sum of the digits must be divisible by 3, since we are only looking for the least possible number, then we can start from 0. The least possible value of B to get a sum of digits that is divisible by 3, is 2. The only possible number formed with those conditions is 80,928. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.